pizza. Show me the pizza, please. Show me the pizza. Show me the fucking pizza. So what kind of fucking pizza did she say? What kind of pizza?
Pesto and seafood.
This is pesto and fucking seafood. This is pesto. Can you see the prawns? Seafood like prawns, calamari, you know, بلح البحر, كل ده. What did you do to your fucking eyes?
I didn't do anything.
No, I'm serious. Let me look at your fucking eyes. I'm serious.
Stop.
Did you change the color of your
No.
eyes? No, I'm serious. No. What did you do with your eyes? Can you take your hand off? I'm serious.
No, because I've got a pimple here.
Oh, let me see the pimples.
Stop.
No, I want to see what did you do with your fucking eyes.
I didn't do anything.
Let me see. Oh
I just put makeup on.
You just put makeup on it?
Yeah.
That girl in Egypt, she put makeup. You know this girl? Huh?
No.
She said you have to put this and بتقول اديها. I swear to God, she said اديها وعمالة تحط الخرا على وشها يا بت. يا بت وريني. Oh والله العظيم ثلاثة. Did you put something in your eyes?
I just put eyeshadow on.
She put بتقول لك أنا حطيت اي شادو. يا قسم بالبيت يا بنت العرس.